Question number 6th, 7th, 8th are of same types. Okay. The edges of three cubes of metal 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, they are melted and form into a single cube. Find the edge of the new cube. So here we have the question number 6. First of all, consider we have 3 cubes, or consider 3 blocks of any chocolate. Consider dairy milk chocolates. Okay, so we have 3 blocks of any chocolate and we are going to melt 3 of them and create a bigger cube. So we have 3 blocks of chocolate which are in cube shape and we are going to create a bigger cube. So the side of one cube is 3 centimeter, the side of cube 2 is 4 centimeter and the side of cube 3 is 5 centimeter. And when we are going to melt these 3 cubes, we are getting a bigger cube whose side is x. So side of cube 1 is 3 centimeter, side of cube 2 is 4 centimeter and side of cube 3 is 5 centimeter. Clearly, whenever there is a question in which one metal is melted into another, then there will be clearly a question related to volume. Whenever you are going to melt these 3 cubes and get a bigger cube, then we have the volume. So we know that the volume of cube is side cube. So clearly the volume of 1 cube, the volume of number 2 cube and volume of number 3 cube, whenever joined together, they will give us the volume of bigger cube. Okay, so side of cube 1 is 3 centimeter, side of cube 2 is 4 centimeter and side of cube 3 is 5 centimeter. So we are going to do that. Volume of cube 1 3 cube, volume of cube 2 4 cube and volume of cube 3 is that 5 cube is equal to side cube, means volume of cube 1 plus volume of cube 2 plus volume of cube 3 is equal to the volume of bigger cube. 3 times 3, 3 raised to power 3 27, 4 raised to power 3 64, 5 raised to power 3 25 and side cube as it is because we don't have any edge or a side is given. So whenever we are going to plus these terms, we will get 216 is equal to side cube. Then shift that cube on that side which will become cube root and we are going to find the side which is I am going to do prime factorization, okay, for that number. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3s are 3 1s are 3. So let's make a triplet where we have 2 into 3. So clearly we have 6 centimeter side. So this question is finished. It is quite easy that whenever you are going to melt 3 cubes, the volume of 3 cubes is equal to the volume of bigger cube. Next we are going to move to the next question, which is question number 7. Again 3 cubes whose edges x centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted and recast into a single cube of edge 12 centimeter. Find x. Let's move on to the question. So clearly we have the question number 7th. Similarly, it is quite similar to the previous question 6th. So cube 1 plus cube 2 plus cube 3 are melted and then there is a bigger cube is formed. Okay, so clearly it is also a case of volume. Whenever any metal cuboid is going to melt, then the entire volume of these materials is equal to the volume of bigger material. So the side of cube 1 is x centimeter, Side of cube 2 is 8 centimeter and side of cube 3 is 10 centimeter and the side of bigger cube is 12 centimeter. In the previous question all three sides were given and we have to find the bigger one, but in that question two sides of cube are given and the bigger side of cube is also given. We have to find one missing term. So we know that volume of all three cubes or the volume of sum of three cubes is equal to volume of bigger cube and volume of cube is side cube. So x cube, 8 cube, 10 cube is equal to 12 cube. X raised to power 3 is x cube. 8 raised to power 3 is 512 and 10 raised to power 3 is 1000 and 12 raised to power 3 is 728. Okay, we are fine. We have to find the cube of these terms. 8 cube means 8 3 times of 8. Okay, 8 is the 64. 64 times 8 is 512. So let's move on there. X cube, we are going to add them, which will become 1512. Okay, 1512 to 15. So 1512 is equal to 1728. Then we are going to shift that term there. We have 1728. Clearly this term will go behind this term, not in front. Many students did that kind of mistakes. So don't do that. We are going to shift that. So x cube is equal to 728 minus 1512, which is again 216. Similar case, we are going to shift that cube here, which will become cube root. So we have 6 centimeter clearly. Okay, let's move on to the question number 8. We have 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. We have 3 cubes placed adjacently. Adjacently means this way. First cube, second cube and third cube, in that way. Whenever you are going to place 3 cubes adjacently, then it recast or create a shape of cuboid. Whenever you are going to place 3, 4 or any cubes adjacently, then they will take a shape of a cuboid. So the question is 3 equal cubes are placed adjacently in a row. Find the ratio of total surface area of the resulting cuboid. Total surface area of resulting cuboid to that of sum of the total surface area of 3 cubes. So they are asking about the 3 things. Actually, first of all, we have to know the total surface area of cuboid, which is 2lb BH plus HL. And total surface area of cube is 6 times of side square. But here the case of 3 cubes, so we are going to take 3 into 6. Okay, so first of all, 3 cubes are placed adjacently. They didn't give us any dimensions. So let us take the side of one cube is x. Okay, let us take the side of one cube is x. And when we are going to take these 3 cubes, then first cube, second cube and third cube. Its side is x, its side is x and its side is x. So together they will make 3x. Okay, length x plus x plus x. X plus x plus x is 3x. Breadth is x and height is also x. Okay, whenever we join the 3 cubes whose side is x, then it will make a shape of cuboid and the length will become 3x, 3 times of x, breadth x and height x. And according to question, they are asking about total surface area of resulting cuboid. Total surface area of resulting cuboid and sum of the total surface area of 3 cubes. Total surface area of resulting cuboid and sum of total surface area of 3 cubes. So total surface area of resulting cuboid, we know that the formula of total surface area of cuboid is 2 times of length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into L. where length is 3x, breadth is x, and height is x. So 2 into length into breadth, 3 into x, breadth into height, x into x, and height into let 3x. Okay, so 2 into 3 times 3x into x, 3x square, x into x square, 3x into x, 3x square. And let us take the case of cube, sum of the total surface areas of cube. Total surface area of one cube is 6 times of side square. Okay, so side is x square and 6 times. It is the surface area of one cube, but we have given the 3 cubes. So total surface area of 3 cubes is 6 into 3 into x square. 6 times 3 is that 18x square. Okay, so we are going to divide total surface area of resulting cuboid with the sum of total surface area of 3 cubes. That is 3 times x, x into 3x divided by 18x square. Okay, so here we have 3x square, x square, 3x square, and 18x square. 2 as it is, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7x square as it is 18x square. We are going to cancel x square with the x square. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So here we have 7:9. So this question is somewhere important. I think it carries around 2 or 3 marks. Okay, so this was the question. 6th, 7th, 8th question are of same types.